Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, if you have ever wondered how to shop the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale, this video is for you. I am going to show you all the tips and tricks of how to make the most of this Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. So let's get started. All right, so you first want to go to Nordstrom.com. And you're going to see that you can click on the anniversary sale, and this will give you all the categories and everything you can search on. I searched on, anniversary sale big deals, and this will kind of give you everything. It's not just one particular thing like clothing, but once you see something that you like, you can click on it and then choose your size. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put it in your wish list. And you have to have a shopping account with Nordstrom to have a wish list, but that's just setting up an account. It's not a charge card or anything. And you'll be able to add things to your wish list. So I just scrolled through, what's on the big deals site, which is going to show you everything. But then you can go back and click on it again, and you can tailor the kind of things that you want to look for. Jewelry and watches, things for the home, candles, home decor. Now, I was just kind of taking a look at what they have for home decor. You can get name brand blankets like UGG and Barefoot Dreams, and you can see that you get a very decent percentage off. And they even have things like this hydrangea arrangement, which is so beautiful. And you can see that this is something that you could also add to your wish list. And you see on the side, on the right-hand side, they give you other things that are similar to that are also in the sale. And I thought that this hydrangea was so pretty, and I put the blue one in my wish list because, the thing about the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale is that things sell out quickly. So what you're aiming to do is get a ton of things on your wish list so that when you can go to the sale, you have everything right there that you can just put into your cart. There's all kinds of ideas here for you. You can click on different things and they will group things together. They will give you ideas for things that are on the sale. And they'll also, there's some really neat features here on this website. You can get ideas for putting wardrobes together. You can see that the sale starts for everyone on July 12th, but people who have a Nordstrom Visa card can get in a few days early.
Nordstrom Anniversary Sale preview starts now.
Achi-tachi, that's right.
Preview this sale and build your wish list.
New arrivals and exclusive items from the hottest brands on sale for a limited time. The sale opens to everyone July 12th.
So if you want to get a charge card and get in earlier, that's the way that I do it. And basically I use this charge card once a year for the Nordstrom sale. And, you can earn points, but the biggest thing is adding everything to your wish list that you could possibly want. I just go through the whole thing as much as I can and start putting things in my wish list. Now you can see that some of these things they show you that there's only a few left, and that's because things sell out really, really quickly. So that's why you want to put a ton of things in your wish list, because on the day of, you might pick 3 things out of your wish list that are still available. So it makes it easier for you once you can go on and shop, that you can, quickly put things in your cart so that they don't sell out. That's the key to being successful in the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. It's doing all of your window shopping ahead of time, which is so fun. I mean, you just basically are looking for anything that you would love to have and just put it in your wish list. It's not like you're putting it in your cart. So you can, just check around and have fun and just look for all the different things that you would like to have, that you wish you could have. And so another really great thing that you could do during the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale is you could shop for your Christmas gifts. And you'd be getting all of your Christmas gifts, nice quality things that you are getting at a great sale price. These are not end of the year things that they want to put on sale and get rid of. These are all either upcoming fall items or, really great up-to-date items that are put on sale. So you could do all your Christmas shopping, put it on your charge, and have it all paid off before Christmas, and all your Christmas shopping will be done. So I think that is a really smart thing to do. Here's another way to look for stuff, just to be inspired. This website for Nordstrom really does give you a lot of different ways to shop. So I hope that you will give it a try and just go out there. If you've never shopped before on the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale, it is really fun, and it is kind of cool to get some of these things at these really great prices. You can see that I'm just basically browsing, and I have these shoes, those sandals in my wish list, but I'm just looking, and you can spend hours just going through. I have those sandals, which I think, it's a really great buy. And I put those sneakers in, those look really good. That's a really good buy too. Now, what I do is I also go out and search for Nordstrom Anniversary Sale videos, because the people who have the iconic level in their Nordstrom credit card can shop really, really early, and they are really good at going out and finding the stuff that is really hot and things that people really want to buy. So what I usually do is I'll go out and find a video that I want to watch and see what that person is highlighting in their current year's recommendations for the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. So the first one I'm going to take a look at is this one from Anna Nicole, and she's really good about everything. So I'm going to let you watch a little bit of her video.
Delivering the trends, that's my job.
Welcome to the Nordstrom Anniversary Preview for 2025, and we're going to go over some must-haves in here, as well as some items that I do not think are worth it in this sale. She's a very popular one. Taylor Swift loves it. Jo Malone, Chloe, and Dolce & Gabbana are running some insane deals. Also, the best-selling Olaplex set. I love all the products from this line. This is a salon quality grade hair care line, so their shampoo and their conditioner, and then their leave-in is a part of the bundle. Value of 90.
So that is what I have in my wish list. That is how I prepare to shop at the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. I hope that you will give it a shot. I hope that you will, if you are going to get a Nordstrom credit card, you can go out there and get one now, and you can shop early. I'm going to be shopping early, and I'm going to be shopping from July 10th to the 11th. And I am going to go out on the 10th and get my what I can from my wish list, and I will do another video showing you exactly what I picked up from the anniversary sale. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great time shopping and great success, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.